The best part about ORDing, right, is you'll never have to do a road march again. Unless you're us. Just for 5 guys under umbrella.
New restaurant name.
5 guys under umbrella. Every time we run together, we go mission together, we go walk together.
Wow, guys. Romantic show. I don't think we're even 2K in, bro.
But this stretch not very long.
Who say? Who say not very?
I said.
How many more?
Many more.
We? I'll be not speaking French, buddy.
I've done this before. I've done this before.
I cannot walk.
Who's going to carry the boat? Who's going to carry the boat?
Actually, got here already.
Pause. What's up, YouTube?
Who will fall off first?
Me.
This guy.
Who will fall off?
This guy. We're gonna walk what, 46 km? Right now it's 7:24. We're gonna start 7:30. Wow, shag bro. Wow, shag bro. This is not for the weak.
You come back on.
Hey, bags on! Bags on!
Wait, no, don't cut it. Shit, no. Guys, please, that cannot go in. You come back on. Not looking quite good though. Not gonna lie.
Guys, I think the night we walk in circles at my house.
Guys, I bring 0 water, 0 sweets. I only have a cup of Coke with me.
I think I have to like offload my water first.
Oh, you gonna dump water already? Wait, you bought the SCM water bag?
Civilian water bag.
Civilian. How heavy is this?
I think like 8 kg.
This is giving a assault bag vibe.
I don't know what compelled them to wake up at 7 AM to walk this shit, but here we are. My guys get sunburned, but today no sun. Oh, wait.
Fucked up, you said already.
Wait, that's it.
You said it means it's over.
I cursed already, bro. Oh my god! What is like a universal like anti-race symbol or what? Guys! The best part about ORDing, right, is you'll never have to do a road march again. Unless you're us. Your unemployed friend on a random Tuesday. Except it's a Sunday.
Okay, take two. Okay, 3, 2, 1, action!
Is he looking forward to walking to a lot of new places?
Yes, I'll see him.
I won't be there.
Hey, next shot.
Eh, why my 1.6k only?
2.8 what?
Oh, boleh bro! Oh, boleh one station.
Okay, not authentic yeah.
Xingshan, are we there yet?
No,
Are we there yet?
no. I'm not even navigating anymore. And legit rains, yeah. Bro, whoever put the garlic and the chili never put properly as well. Hey bro, you prepared bro. What the fuck, this guy bring umbrella? Under my umbrella.
Okay, so my question is, what you want to achieve from this walk?
As SM Glenn said, don't something, I don't know, forget already.
Oh, what?
Don't count the
Don't count the days, count the kilometers.
Wait, what?
I time yourself.
Cannot see. I just want to finish.
Carry sickness set again.
I just want to finish and edit the video.
Edit the video. You want to get
I'm
A,
trying to
guys.
see like the beautiful part of Singapore. Why is East side the best side? Cause it's definitely not the West.
He stays at the north, by the way.
Best side, bro.
It's the West.
Okay, for me, I just wanted to have fun with my friends. Ah.
Send Daniel.
People gonna say, guys, just ORD, man.
Just let it go, bro.
Just let it go. I'm getting a bit shy. Wait, what?
Hey, don't think.
Leaking.
Yeah, offload. I am wearing pants. so I don't know what's wrong with me.
Cause you build different what?
Build different, bro.
But Leonard also build different. Look at Leonard.
Don't let them know, don't let them know.
Don't what?
In the famous words of Sergeant Major Glenn,
You don't take your f***ing time.
okay, we are at Punggol.
Fuck Pongo.
Punggol, Boon Lay. We are at Boon Lay Village right now.
wish
This is my breakfast. We're gonna move off at 9, then we're gonna go walk 10 km to Beauty World. Atam has came up with a set of challenges for us to do. This guy wants us to walk 1 km backwards, by the way.
No, but it's by accident. Because the time I buy it from the normal shop. Then I use CDC. Then she was like,
No way.
What?
Go gym try gym one. Then I come back home then.
Hey, decent. Good start.
All of us. What do you mean all of us?
London's reaction fucking funny, bro.
Bro, speaking French nowadays. Okay, we go.
Sometimes being a dumbass is the best part about being life. We're gonna do the 100-meter duck walk challenge now.
We as in JX, Leonard, Joshua, and YY. Okay.
And none.
I'll be filming and navigating, guys. Yeah, I'll be down here. Don't worry.
2 duck walk was in like my hockey, bro. My hockey days.
Okay. Why you get hopping?
Hey, turn the camera.
I cannot already.
It's like what these kids doing. What are you doing? Oh. Wait, what?
You can do it, You can do it.
For this. Who say can take
You don't work hard, you work smart.
Working 36. Too easy, bro. You need some challenges.
Hey, now you-
What's the distance?
3.6 guys. Now we are getting stopped by a bad weather, you know what I'm saying?
Time check.
Time check, we reach there by 11:15, you know what I'm saying?
Time check 10:24.
10:24. Okay, let's just say tomorrow as well.
Let's just say
Wait, but personally, right, I think like the ring kind of boosts my morale.
You know what else is going to boost your morale right now?
Whoa, yeah!
We gotta play some Mario Kart right now.
Low-key the gold, bro.
Choose one, okay.
Loser will do 20 push-up.
I ain't losing, good. Let's go. First 2 Mondays now. Hey.
Okay, push up.
Carry on lah, bro.
1.
Hey, don't give me this half rep, bro.
99.
Wait, what?
100.
100 minus 80 lah.
What for Nanesh?
Let's go lah. Wait, what?
Okay, now we're gonna continue walking. It's raining still a bit, but okay lah, manageable. Yeah, bro, hey, do you know who we are?
Bro, you know how to do the Fortnite before? Oh, okay. Right now it's 10:53. Okay, we are behind time, but it's okay. You know.
Next checkpoint, Beauty World Center.
Exactly. You know what I'm
Then
saying?
we'll go for
We expected
lunch.
this, you know, weather plan. We change to intermediates later. You know what I'm saying? Intermediate tires.
for sure.
Yeah, then maybe to the slicks, we'll see. Slicks.
Lunch break.
Lunch break. You want to stop here? Checkpoint 2, 3, I don't know. Checkpoint 2. Beautiful.
I don't know about the number of checkpoint, but this is my last.
I'm like actually questioning like my decision.
Yeah, time check. 11:55. think we'll move off. Let's say 1 hour. On to our second challenge. Unless.
What's up?
Go for it.
Hey guys. Let me see what I'm looking for. Okay, you know what I'm looking for? That walk 1 km under 10 minutes. That's what I'm going for.
You think I can do it?
Yeah, easy. Ready?
Let's go.
Oh,
Actually, relax on the back, bro.
come on. Oh, hell lah. 1 person carry all the back.
This one person?
Carry all the back. 1 km. Spin the wheel for the name.
Oh my god.
Hey, turn the camera. Look at it.
We just finished our lunch. We're gonna go Jelutong Tower now. I don't know how many km that is, but I think it's like 4 to 5. Then now Yong is gonna carry our bags for 1 km.
1 km, yeah!
Good luck, buddy.
The worst thing is I have the heaviest bag here.
Good. That means for the past 14 km, he has trained. He's not very strong.
Take care, buddy.
Hey, no.
Okay lah, 1K only mah, not that hard.
Yeah,
Pass me.
now.
See lah.
Yeah, for the photo lah. You want to there?
Oh, you need guys didn't hear anything.
Easy one. This one's so light. Let's go.
We are now at the rifle range. Yeah, I don't know if you all can hear that, but it sounds like it's getting bad. And we only just started. I don't think this path got any coverage.
Literally the worst place to be.
Yeah, right now is the worst place to be, bro. Hey, Yong tired already, guys. Yong tired already. 100 meters in only, bro. 900 more.
Hey, 1K completed. Easy lah, no sweat.
No sweat. hey, what about?
That's crazy.
Light work, baby. No stop. So right now we are here. We're going all the way down, to here. It's our next stop. Let's go.
Mic move again.
Mic move.
Mic move again, guys.
So fast.
I don't think we're even 2 km in, bro.
But this stretch not very long.
We check or what?
Who say not very?
I say.
I thought it was ending, by the way. I thought the tower was close.
What a 750 meter, like not really 750 meters.
Yay, we reached Jelutong Tower. Hey, you want to climb up?
Climb.
Nice climb, bro. bro said climb. You should show them. Okay, how many floors is that? 10. Right now we are climbing the
Jelutong
Tower. Let's go and see the view. Hey, think how many more?
Many more.
How many more?
Many more.
Fuck this shit, bro. Fuck more. What the fuck is Joshua? I'll kill him. Shake. Chill out the view.
Sure, but if only they had seats. You know what I mean?
This is a horrible idea, by the way.
Everyone sit on the step.
19k is what? Halfway ah? But we need to walk out first lah. Halfway? Let's say we are halfway there.
We're not walking.
Not even halfway, you're not even at the halfway point. I thought we were walking like 40 plus.
40 plus? Who? You?
No, I
We?
I feel like the
We're not speaking French, buddy. Nah, bro. There's no we in this sentence unless we falling out. First, we need to climb up fucking 10 stories. I'm crashing out right now.
And if this wouldn't have happened, 7. If you go home, you get down.
When? I Putting a mechanical leg, bro. Say that one more time, please. I don't mind, no, just take it out now. This morning I was like, because I got no shoe, then I was like, I don't wear my dunks. So I wear my pink color Vaporfly. Then I was like, there's no way I'm sacrificing the running shoe. Then I look at the Crocs, I was like, hey, why not, right? And I was like, nah, there's no way, I'll die. I was this close. This close.
Any better?
Honestly, it's not that bad. You see? I'm dying lah. But you know, nothing for the Black Shark himself.
Black Shark. You did it before.
I did it before.
Do it again.
Almost out of McRitchie. We're almost out. I can't feel my legs no more. Halfway there, bro. Halfway there.
McRitchie Reservoir.
Too easy. Closing to 24.
BMT much secured.
New socks.
We left Marichi just now.
Now we're reaching Junction 8.
Oh, I got operation.
Start Junction now.
Operation I cannot. My cock and pain lah.
I got a vision on my butt there. We're gonna have our dinner now. We have a special guest joining us soon.
We're having an early dinner before we hit another 16k. I don't think anybody actually wanted to do this before.
I don't think anybody wanna walk from NTU to SIT, you know, just a thought.
Next episode we'll walk back from SIT to NTU. Jing Xian say one.
Oh. Okay guys, our guest star.
Hey, what's up? 你好，你好。
Okay, this guest got diarrhea by the way.
Hey, thanks for inviting me to the show.
For the next,
Just a casual walk in the park.
for the next 14k.
Walk in the park. Singapore is a park. I cannot walk.
Who's gonna carry the boats? Who's gonna carry the boats?
I shave my beard already.
Pause. That's crazy.
I was like,
Okay, I'm next.
Final push.
Moving off from our last checkpoint. How many more?
many more.
JY, how many more?
Okay, no more already.
Hey, this guy 10 came in only.
We are 5.6k away from our SIT. Let's go. Alright, so right now we are about 5 kilometers away, you know what I'm saying? But how we feeling though? You know what I'm saying?
Too easy.
So, yeah, Leonard doesn't not look shaky. Joshua,
Mike, hi guys.
Mike, hi.
36k. About 4 more to go.
You know me lah, I always clock a little bit extra.
Then.
But almost 37, I was
Many
saying.
extras. Okay, not.
In Crocs, I
better
will.
shave your beard there.
Okay, guys.
At the start, like record so much. Then
Yeah.
like, then no one recording anymore.
Hey, but you know, only the strong record, right, guys? Right lah. Only the strong recording ah. Alamak. Guys, almost there. I see it. Yeah, reaching SIT.
Too easy.
Light work.
Yeah. Just another day,
Yay!
Piece of cake, walk in the park.
It's too easy. It's too easy, Nandesh. Hey, just walk back lah.
Okay guys, easy peasy, 41 point something done.
It's a wrap. Okay, once again lah. Once again.
Oh hell lah, why?
I'm cool now, I see. Guys, 40 km completed. NTU to SIT. Let us know where should we go next, you know?
Next? Are we doing next?
Next, maybe, what shall we do? Nian to TP?
Api to SMU?
Oh, what? Nice try.
Shorter route?
Nice try. Black Shark, sign off, bro.